Don't even know what that is. Why are you trying to eat it? You cannot have an entire loaf of bread. Stop it. Hey. No, you're a chicken. No, you're a chicken.
Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
Who's hungry? Here she goes.
Two.